How to download ads information on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download ads information on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in top corner, and now go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and now just go down here until you find download your information, and then click this select all and go down until you find this one adds information. Click on it and then just click create file and wait until the file created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.